We are live at the Tampa courthouse and covering the Julie Schenecker double murder trial. She is charged with shooting both of her children because they were mouthy, sassy, and in the last hours, the jury has heard what we suspected. Caught on tape, Julie Schenecker talking to police after they first apprehended her for the double shootings. She says that she shot them because they called her names, like ridiculous, that they were sassy and mouthy. She clearly, according to her own words, had planned the massacre, as she describes it, for days ahead of time. It almost sounds as if she had objectified her children to the point where she didn't care if she killed them or not. She was full of anger. Now, many people are arguing that she is mentally ill. Let me remind everybody that under our jurisprudence, voluntary use of drugs and alcohol is not a defense. So if she got boozed up and high on OxyContin, as she liked to do, that's not going to be a defense. Also, the issue is raised now that the jury has heard these tapes. Will she take the stand? I don't think she'll take the stand, tapes or no tapes, because she would be decimated on cross-examination. I don't think Schenecker will get near the stand.
But Lonnie Coombs and the Dream Team is back. If she's decimated on cross-examination, Lonnie, maybe that works. Maybe, of course, the prosecutor's asking her questions, Lonnie, and she's saying, what do you mean? Huh? Where was I? I don't know. Right? So maybe that assists her to be decimated. What do you think, Lonnie?
That's a possibility, Joey. I mean, some people listen to those tapes of the interrogation, and they're saying even there, the police shouldn't have been interrogating her because she didn't sound like she was all mentally there, although the police officer said, no, she was. She understood what was going on. So there's a possibility, you know, that the defense could get one or two jurors to hang on that. But I think that her unattractive personality, shall we say, her manipulation and her cold callousness will come through the jury. I think that's a bigger risk for the defense.
So, John Phillips, should they have good personalities? If I'm insane, do I have to have a personality and likability?
No,
I'm insane.
Even though the jury's going to be instructed you can't take sympathy in, you got to have a sympathy. You got to get sympathy.
Be somewhat sympathetic.
And I think if she's on there, she's not going to be sympathetic. You know, their story is that she was saving these kids from themselves, from suicide, from the problems they were going to have because they inherited bad genes.
So let's see what the people are saying out there. This is Kelly. There are tons of people that have been diagnosed with depression and bipolar disorder. You don't see them killing kids. Good point. Good point indeed. Let's see what Tracy has to say about it. She isn't insane. She is crazy, and she knew exactly what she was doing. Evil. Okay. And, of course, we have Joanne. What does Joanne say? So much planning went into this, right? Went on with Schenecker. No way do I buy she had a break from reality. Okay, that's pretty clear. And then, of course, we have Julie Schenecker. Planning was extremely methodical. It seems like, Dream Team, you guys are pretty much right on point. And maybe I'm not. Nobody's buying
I agree with L.J. Wolf. It was extremely methodical.
She
knew exactly what she's doing.
I say she's insane. In any event, more to come, Dream Team. I have a special bonus key that's coming up on the case, and we didn't give it to you because we didn't have time to air it. But please go to HLN on the Case Facebook page, and you'll see it there. And when you're there, hit the like button, will you?